Hello. In this video we are going to talk about coronavirus, COVID-19.
What is COVID-19?
COVID-19, the coronavirus disease, is an infectious disease caused by a new strain of coronavirus. This new virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China, in December 2019. The novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 is most likely of animal origin, but studies are still ongoing to confirm the source and transmission methods. The virus can cause cough, fever, and breathing difficulties.
Can you tell us more symptoms of COVID-19?
Fever, cough, breathing difficulties. COVID-19 symptoms have not been completely understood. It is also not yet known how serious these symptoms can be or how many people infected with COVID-19 virus have only very mild symptoms or none at all. Most cases of COVID-19 infection are not serious.
How does COVID-19 spread?
COVID-19 spreads when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or talks. You can also get infected if you touch anything that has been sprayed with the carrier's respiratory droplets and then touch your face, your nose, eyes, ears, and mouth. The virus can survive for several hours on surfaces covered with discharge, such as saliva, so it is vital to wash your hands often.
What does this virus do to an organism? Does it damage specific organs?
COVID-19 symptoms are nonspecific and their severity can vary. The disease can run its course without symptoms of illness, but infection can also include severe pneumonia. And for people in risk groups, in worst case, the illness can end in death. For most people infected with the coronavirus, the illness runs its course without complications and they get well. It is important to point out that the virus risk group includes the elderly and people with chronic diseases, who exhibit the severe forms of the disease more frequently.
What is the mortality rate for COVID-19?
About 3.4% of confirmed cases of COVID-19 infection resulted in death, compared to less than 1% for seasonal flu. However, COVID-19 spreads less efficiently than flu.
What is the treatment of COVID-19?
No specific treatment or any approved antiviral medicine exists yet for COVID-19. Doctors can therefore recommend the usual measures: rest, take medicines to reduce pain and fever, and consume fluids to prevent dehydration. There is no vaccine against COVID-19 yet, but it can be assumed that after the disease has run its course, immunity will develop for a certain time, but it is not known for how long.
What about prevention against COVID-19?
You should wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds to prevent any flu-like viruses, including COVID-19. Avoid contact with your face if hands are unwashed, avoid contacts with sick people, stay at home in the case of illness, and disinfect surfaces and objects you touch daily.
What about the seasonality of COVID-19?
It is not known whether and how the weather affects the COVID-19 virus. Even if the spread of the COVID-19 virus declines in the spring, it may return in the autumn.
How close are we to a vaccine?
According to Coronavirus Vaccine Tracker, researchers around the world are racing to develop a vaccine against COVID-19, with more than 140 candidate vaccines now tracked by the World Health Organization, WHO. Vaccines normally require years of testing and additional time to produce at scale, but scientists are hoping to develop a coronavirus vaccine within 12 to 18 months. Vaccines mimic the virus, or part of the virus, they protect against, stimulating the immune system to develop antibodies. They must follow higher safety standards than other drugs because they are given to millions of healthy people.
How are vaccines tested?
In the preclinical stage of testing, researchers give the vaccine to animals to see if it triggers an immune response. In phase 1 of clinical testing, the vaccine is given to a small group of people to determine whether it is safe and to learn more about the immune response it provokes. In phase 2, the vaccine is given to hundreds of people so scientists can learn more about its safety and correct dosage. In phase 3, the vaccine is given to thousands of people to confirm its safety, including rare side effects, and effectiveness. These trials involve a control group which is given a placebo. That was for today. Hope you subscribe to our channel for more updated news about coronavirus and many other trending news.
Wait for us in the coming videos. Thanks for watching and don't forget to press the subscribe button down for more coming videos. Bye.